Oh, sorry. Just chilling out on a Sunday afternoon. There's nothing more relaxing than reading through a decent barbecue book. Marcus Bowdon just released his new book. Been having a look through. There's one that's really taking my fancy for today. I've found Cauliflower Mustard Crumble. Let's recreate it. So it states what you need is 2 cauliflowers. Here we are. It says to take off most of the leaves, but obviously leave some in. So, all right, we'll take a few off. Yeah, that's what you're going for. Pull that one off because it's dangling down. Yeah, perfect. Don't have to be too particular about this, just rough and ready. Obviously you want to expose most of the cauliflower, but leave some leaves. Looking good to me. So that's what you're looking for. Okay, so now you got your cauliflower prepped. In a tray they go for the minute. So it states 6 tablespoons of American mustard. So now we need 2 tablespoons of rapeseed oil. I'm actually going to measure this. 1, 2. So whisk that in. What it states to do is brush it on, but I'm gonna, because this bowl's a perfect size, I'm just gonna push it in. Get the next one, stick it in. I did plan this, by the way, not. So that's got a pretty good coverage, but what I will do is get a brush now and just brush around where I need to. Oh, they look really good. I would have never have thought of this. So what you can do now is just brush it around. Get it down in those nooks and crannies. Get a nice coating. And the good thing is with a brush, you can just tuck it down at the sides of the leaves. This way you can dab it all in. It's a bit like painting. Trying to dab it in all those nooks and crannies. I know this is going to be good. Right, okay, so let's put that one down. Ugh. Let's get this one up. Tuck it down the sides. That's what we call attention to detail. Now you've got it all in and around. Let's get it back in the bowl so you get a nice thick coverage, because that's gonna condense down with the heat and ooze all in and around, but you've got that good coverage. But now what you want to do is just get a good scoop on the top. Nice thick layer. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. Okay, so that's what you're looking for. Nice even coverage. Now we're going to cover it in tin foil, chuck it in indirect, so offset of the coals at around 180 degrees Celsius for a good 40 minutes. Then we'll take the tin foil off and add some more ingredients. Loving this, looking good. Yeah, so we're going indirect, which means you're cooking offset of the coals. So we're going to put them on. Your food's going to be over here, but at the same time, you need to draw that through and around. We're going to open it up halfway. We're going to open the bottom vent a quarter. So we're just a smidge open. And we'll get that up to temp. Time to put some cheese on these bad boys. They're looking good. Oh yes. So we're just going to get the cheese, sprinkle it over. Just be real generous with the cheese. and you want to get it on there. Back on they go. There you go. Nice. If you want your veg tasting really good, go and check out Marcus's book. Cheers. That's going to go down well. Let's have a look. Oh yes. You've got the bang for your buck right there. What can I say? Nice one, Marcus. Cannot go wrong with that. You really can't. So, if you like the video, please remember to like and subscribe, guys. It doesn't cost a penny and it helps us out massively. Moving forward this year, we've got loads going on and I cannot wait to share this with you. Cheers, guys. I'll see you when I see you.